What's up guys, I'm Brittany from Profitable Stylist Academy, and I am stoked to announce the launch of my education on Teachable. We have hair replacement certifications, scalp treatment and regrowth classes that are gonna be up shortly. To celebrate this, we are doing $300 off the hair replacement certification on Teachable. In addition to that, we're also doing a site-wide 10% off all of our education. This is so exciting, you guys. You don't want to miss this chance. It's the whole month of November. Okay, so what are you going to learn in this hair replacement class? Whether you're doing hair replacement already or you're looking to get into it, this is a really good starting point or refresher class for you guys. We're going to go over men's bonding. We do a full head bond in this class. We're going to go over proper cleaning of the system, choosing the right system for your clients. I know that can be really overwhelming and difficult to do, especially if we're newer to the industry. We're gonna go over custom ordering. You guys, there is so much packed in to this class. You don't wanna miss out.